everyone. In today's video, we shall learn about privacy settings inside of Bubble. And as you can see here, we created this app right here, which is insurance detail. We learned about the layouts. We learned about how to add a pop-up form, and we also learned a little bit of the backend workflow. So as mentioned, we are going to learn about privacy settings. So let's get started. So this profile is currently logged in. So when we go to a profile that is not logged in, let's see how it actually looks. So I have it open in Incognito. As you can see here, this is Incognito right here, and we haven't logged in. And we can still see the details of Dr. Strange, all the policy number, amount, and maturity date, and all of the tiny little details of whatever they have posted. So when we come back to the account that is currently logged in by Hulk, this account should have all the details of Hulk and not of Doctor Strange, which is truly what it should be. So let's see how we can go about hiding all of these bits of detail. So I'm going over to Bubble, and this is the privacy tab that I have opened. You can find it inside of the data tab right here. So the one which we are going to focus on is privacy, and I have opened insurance doc. So this currently is publicly visible. That is why all of our details of Doctor Strange and even Hulk's detail is right here, which is very wrong. So we are going to fix that really quick. So over to Bubble. So I'm going to define a new rule, and I'm going to click on this button, and I'm going to type in visible to creator, and I'm going to click on create. So what this does is it brings up all of these different fields. These are the different fields that we have created initially when we were building this app. So over here we want to go ahead and click over here. It also mentions you have to click so that you can get all the drop downs so that you can select from here instead of typing it manually. So I'm going to click on this insurance docs. I'm going to search for creators. Creator is the current user. So when we go back to the results page, and I'm going to quickly refresh this so that you can probably see how this change happens. So now after we have defined the rule and we have refreshed this page, and we are currently still logged in as Hulk, and only Hulk's account details are here, as you can see, and Doctor Strange's detail is gone, which is perfect. So let's go ahead and see how it actually works when it's not logged in. As you can currently see, this was before we set the definition, but since we just refreshed it, the rule has applied, and now no one can actually see it, which is totally cool and good, because this is how the app should work. Otherwise, people can steal other people's information, which we do not want, right? So yeah. So in case of personal information or any information at all, remember to tick this checkbox to automatically make it private, so that in case you forget and the details show up, you can always go into privacy and click on one of this. And for this instance, let's go to questions. And similar to how we created for the insurance doc, you can also create a new rule and define it right there. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you in the next one.